So this is a lab kit that'll have a lot of what you need. It won't have everything you need, so you'll still have to purchase some other items, but it does give you a nice set of test tubes, test tube bakers, conical tubes, baking soda, um, pH strips. So it gives you the pH strips here, some measuring spoons, pipettes, a flask, a larger beaker, several smaller beakers also. Gives you food coloring, the balloons, um, just several things that you can use in the labs that we're going to do this semester. It's by no means a requirement that you purchase this. You're welcome to see if you can find everything you need from around your house and use that, or pick them up at Walmart or somewhere. This particular one is through Amazon, and you may be able to find it through um, Walmart, and it tends to run 20.98. It's been 20.98 since March of this year, and it was $24 before then. I've never actually seen it up at the $30 mark. So this will give you a lot of what you need, but it's by no means required to purchase. I look forward to working with you guys, and have a great day.